Hey everyone, Steele from the forums. Just doing a little quick video on these A123 bounce boards that I may be selling on the forums. So these are off of my, what should I say, 2, 4, 6, 8 series, 11 parallel A123 modules that I've sold on the forums. So these are just the bounce boards, which are, I think, are great, to be honest. Now I'm only using 6 channels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I don't know much about the boards, but they do discharge quite a bit, I would say. I know that there's a connector underneath here as well, but it's supposed to connect to some kind of module that basically monitored the pack of the extended battery pack for the Toyota Prius, which was these A123 cells. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you just a quick reading. So that's what they're discharging. It's about half amp, and that's per cell on here. Just checking these. Everything looks good, but these resistors are. Now I'm using a LiPo, but it's not that charged. I mean, it's about 3.7, 3.8, and it's just this bounce board's trying to bring it down to 3.6, pretty much. But to give you an idea, the temps, how they're like, these things do get really hot. So some of them might be a little high just because the voltage is really high in the LiPo. Okay, so about 107 on that one. This one's about 110. 122. Ooh, that's crispy. This is about 130, almost. It's about 120, and there's one under there. See if I can even get it. Yeah, you get the point. It's about 100 and something. So, yeah, they're very good. I mean, definitely. I guess shoot me a PM if you have any questions. Just to show you how quick I can do or try to show the wiring in this video at least. So if you look at the board, this is the most positive. So just kind of pretend that there were batteries underneath here. This is the most positive. This is the most negative. So what I've done for the purposes of this, so I'm using 6 cells with my Turnigy. So there's 1, 2, you skip that one there. So you go from here to here's 3, 4, you can skip that one there. It's 5, and then 6. So that's all pretty much you need. Now there's a way to, technically I'm not using these 2 channels. As you can see, some of the trace does run down here. So I mean, if you ever had to cut the modules, which I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making this a 4P, or 2 4S modules, because I know that they will do up to 8. And you just got to be careful where you cut the traces. I haven't cut it yet, but between the top and bottom, like, it shouldn't be too difficult. You just got to know where to cut it, and you could separate these because they work individually, which is very good. So you can even do 1 cell, 2, 3, 4, 6, and you can even cut these off. I mean, just get a Dremel, cut them down, and I mean, there's plenty of, you just scratch up a bit on the PCB board, you solder the wires in. You can make these very, very small, and they're very good, you know, for e-bike use where we want to limit it. We have a very limited amount of space. You can pretty much, you know, tape, kind of mount these onto the side of the battery somehow. Make sure nobody touches them because they do get a little hot, but they work really well. So I'll keep you guys posted. If there's any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.